Hello student, this is Advanced Math, class 8 and 9, logarithm chapter. In the previous class, we have discussed about the properties of logarithm. This was left out. This is the most important property, change of base property of logarithm. It states that log m to the base a equal to log m to the base b into log b to the base a. We need to prove also this one. So let's start the proof. Let log m to the base b equal to x and log b to the base a equal to y. Now remove logarithm. Remove log, convert to exponential form. What we will get? B to the power x equal to m. Let it be equation 1. Now from here what we will get? Log, we will remove log exponential form. What we will get? A to the power y equal to b. Let it be equation 2. Now start from 1. From equation 1. What we have? B to the power x equal to m. From 1 we have b to the power x equal to 1, but from 2 we have the value of b. What is the value of b? B is equal to a to the power y. So we can replace b for a to the power y, and x was already there, so it will be xy equal to m. Understood? From 1 we have started, and from 2 we have replaced the value, substitute the value of b, a to the power y, b equal to a to the power y. Now this is in the exponential form, so now convert to the logarithm form. What we will get? Base will remain fixed. These two will interchange. Log m to the base a equal to x into y. Now this is log m to the base a equal to, what is this? X. And what is we have x equal to? Log m to the base b into x into y. What is y equal to? Log b to the base a. This only we have to prove. See, check it. So hence proved. Now you will ask from the beginners why it is called change of base property of logarithm. That we will try to understand. Now put here m equal to a. Putting m equal to a. For m we are going to write a. So what will be here? Log a to the base a is equal to log, for m equal to, we are writing a to the base b into log b to the base a. Now you have the property first, logarithm of any number to the same base, log a to the base a, log b to the base b, same thing to the base, same thing is 1. So log a to the base b into log b to the base a. But you like this side, this equal to this or this equal to the same thing, so it can be written a to the base b into log b to the base a equal to 1. So what we will get? Log a to the base b. What is this equal to? Transpose this side. So it will be 1 by log b to the base a. Understood this? See this result carefully. Log a to the base b equal to, what we have got? 1 by log b to the base. What is the base here? B. Now what is the base here? A. So if you need to change the base of logarithm while doing the solutions of the exercise, you need to do reciprocal. Understood? Log a to the base b will become 1 by log b to the base a. That's why this formula is called change of base property of logarithm. This is important one for class 9 and both, for class 8 and 9 both. Okay, this is about the change of base property. Now I will help you to explain something, some working rule of logarithm. How can you use this property of logarithm? Working rule. Basically for the property logarithm. See here, we have the formula log m into n. to the base a. What we have? Log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Now for the sake of simplicity, now first we are doing common logarithm. Common logarithm. Common logarithm is on base 10. Base is fixed only 10, unless otherwise it is not mentioned. But in the property, sometimes for the sake of simplicity, base is not mentioned here. So this side also base will not give. Now what it will be used as? Log m into n can be written as log m plus log n. Remember this, m should not be here. Base place is vacant here. No base here, so this also no base here. And vice versa also. For into what you will write? Plus, or plus what you will write? Into. Similarly, this one also. We have log m by n to the base a equal to, what is the property? Log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. If base is not this side, so this side also you can remove. So for divide, what you will write? Minus, or vice versa. Log m minus log n can be log m by n, or log m by n can be log m minus log n. Other also. We have this one, no, m to the power n to the base a. This will come this side, no, n into log m to the base a. If base is not here, so base is not here. So what we will write now? Log m to the power n can be written as n into log m. If base will be provided, we will provide the base. If not, then you will not. For example, log 8 you can write log 2 to the power 3 or 3 log 2. This is log 8 equal to. Okay, this is the working rule. This way you can use the property of logarithm. And remember, we are doing common logarithm. There are another type of logarithm also in higher classes, that is called Napier's logarithm. That is not in the syllabus. It is Napier logarithm on base e, where is the irrational number something. Now we will help you to do some sum. Okay, some important sum, different types of sum. Suppose question is to determine some important sum. Determine the logarithm of 1728 to the base 2 root 3. This is one of the question. It is in word. In fact, we have to determine the logarithm of, this question is like can be 1728 with the base 2 root 3. So first to find the prime factorization of 1728. 2 8 is 16, 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8, then again 2 4 is 8, 32 will be here, then again 16 will be here, then again 2 1 is 0 8, how much we will get? 54, 27, then 3 9 3. How much we have got? This is 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 3. Now see here, 2 to the power 6. Okay, you can first write down, let this equal to x. Okay, we need to find logarithm of 1728 to the base 2 root 3. This sentence can be like this, and we have to determine the value of this. So let us assume this equal to x. Now I convert to the exponential form. What we will write? 2 root 3 whole to the power x equal to 1728. Now this is 2 root 3 whole to the power x equal to, by prime factorization, what we have got? 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 3. Now see here, this is very important sum but not difficult. This is 2 to the power 6 into, now we need to make the same power on both 2 and 3, but it is 6 is here, 3 is here. So can you write 2 to the power half into 6? Half into 6 is 3 only, no? 2 to the power 3 whole to the power x equal to 2. What is 2 to the power half? You know what is 2 to the power half equal to? This is root 2. Sorry, this is 3, sorry, not 2. 3 to the power half equal to root 3, you know. Fractional power can be radical sign and radical sign can be fractional power. So 3 to the power half can be written as root 3 and power is 6 here also, 6 also can give whole power 6. This formula, no, a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a into b whole to. That's why first laws of indices is required because logarithm and indices are interrelated. Now again 3 laws of indices. If both are base are same, then exponent will be same. So what you have got? X equal to 6. And what is x? This equal to x log 1728 to the base 2 root 3 is equal to 6. We need to find the value of this, so this is the answer. Understood? Some more sums, little bit. We will make it larger little bit. Now you have the concept. Another sum, different types of sum. See the question, simplify. Little bit bigger one, so it's not difficult, so it's here. Log 77 by 243 plus 5 log 25 by 8 plus 3 log 27 by 80 plus 7 log 16 by 15. Okay, we need to find the value of this. We will use the properties of logarithm. We will use the property of logarithm, and it is base is also given here 2, 2, 2 and 2. Now, this one you write down log 77 by 243 to the base 2 plus this 5 will come here by the property log 25 by 8 to the base whole root 5. Let us check the question. Then you know this will come here log 27 by 80 whole to the power 3 and base is given here 2 plus log 16 by 15. This 7 will come here power on both whole 7. Okay, base. Now see, you are getting difficulty, so base we may not write. You can remove the base. In the last you can add or you can go on adding. So this is what you will get log 11 into 7. Understood? Convert to the prime only. By 2, what is 243 equal to? 243 you have the prime factor. 3 8 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 27 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 to the power 4. Base 2 still you are writing, 3 to the power 4 plus log. What is 5 equal to? 25 equal to 5 square by 2 cube, 8 equal to, base is 2 still here, whole to the power 5. Now plus log, this is 3 to the power 3 and this is 16 5 ja, 2 to the power 4 into 5, base is 2 whole to the power 3 and this is log 2 to the power 4 and 3 into 5 base is still here, whole to the power 7. It will be lengthy, but it can be easy. Now this is log 11 into 7 by 3 to the power 4 plus log 5 to the power whole to the power gets multiplied, 10, and here also whole power, no, this is power on this also, 3 5 ja 15 plus log 3 3 ja 9 and 4 3 ja 2 to the power 12 into 5 to the power 3, base is 2 here, plus log 28 by 3 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 7. Remember the base is 2 here, and you should give the bracket. More numbers are there, no? Now, we always write for plus into. So log 11 into 7, all the numerator will get multiplied, and all denominator, for plus we will write into, and log is common. So 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 15 into 2 to the power 12 into 5 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 7, and base 2 have to mention. Okay. There is a mistake here. This is not 77. This is 27. Okay. Nothing problem. Just changing to 27. So no need to write 11 into 3 to the power 3. So here 3 to the power 3. Here all 3 to the power 3 only. The rest is okay. Now again we will use the laws of indices. 3 to the power 3 plus 9. How much will get? 12. Into 5 to the power 10, okay, into 2 to the power 28. This is all about numerator. Now what is denominator? 3 to the power 4 here, 7 here, 3 to the power 4 here and 7 here, okay. So 4 plus 7, how much will get? This is 3 to the power 4, 2 to the power 15, 2 to the power 12 into 5 to the power 3, then 3 to the power 7 and 5 to the power 7. Okay, 7 plus 4, 3 to the power 11 into C about 2, 2 to the power 15 and 12, 27, 2 to the power 27. And 3 we have 10 to 5. What about 5? 5 to the power 7 plus 3, 10. So we are cancelling this, okay. Cancelling this. And base is 2 here you mention. Now how much we will get? Log, see 3 to the power 12 divided by 3 to the power 1 by 3 to the power 1. And 28 and 27 you get 2 to the power 1 to the base 2. You have got log 6 to the base 2 is the simplified form. So understood? This is the problem. If you do want something more to understand it clearly, so I can give you some more sum. Okay. Question is find the sum of, see the question. Find the sum of log root 6 to the base 2 and log root over 2 by 3 to the base 2. This is not very lengthy question, and try make the concept clear, then we will enjoy it. It's not difficult. It looks difficult for the beginners. Sum means plus. To write down, we need to find the sum of this and this, so this plus this. Log root 6 to the base 2 plus log under root 2 by 3 to the base 2. Now see, for plus what you will write? Into, what will write? This into this. Listen here. Root a into b can be written as whole root ab. This is for into and divide, not for plus and minus. So this is root 6. So we can give whole root 6 into 2 by 3 to the base 2. And this can be to cancel, no? 3 to the 6. So actually what we have got? Log root 4 to the base 2. And you know what is the square root of 4? 2. And this is the formula 1. So this way you can use the property of logarithm while doing the exercise. In the next class I will give you some more important sums. So today for this much only.